Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with James. I am your host James. Today, another simple and delicious cook. We are going to be doing homemade pizza in the Ninja Speedi. This is going to be fast. Let's go ahead and get into the cook. Alright, so I'm just going to show you what I'm going to use. First, we are going to be actually starting out with the pizza crust. Now, I was trying to get the Pillsbury because I do like that crust, but this is Safeway brand. I'm assuming it's going to be just as good. So pizza crust, Pillsbury pizza crust, or any kind of pizza crust. We are also going to be using Bertolli's Classic. Got that on sale. Use whatever kind of marinade you want. Got some pepperoni. Got some mozzarella, and then another cheese blend to kind of add with that as well. So that's pretty much the ingredients. Let's go ahead and show you how to make this. Alright, so first thing we want to do is go ahead and open up the pizza crust. Just the instructions, I'm pretty sure are all the same. Just take the paper right around and then twist it till it pops. Now, don't be scared when it pops. Just give it a twist. Boop, you're good to go. Alright, get that out there onto the cutting board or whatever you're using, and then just go ahead and roll the dough right on out. Alright, so now you're going to want to stretch your dough a little bit. Just kind of stretch it out a little bit, and I'm going to show you what's going on next here. Just get it a little bit thin. Everything is good to go. Now, we've got the pan that's going into the Ninja Speedi, so we took that out, and we're actually going to place this in the middle. Go ahead and press down, and we're going to trim the outer edges. I got a pizza cutter. You can use a knife, whatever you like. But go ahead and just go ahead and trim right on the edge, and I'll show you in a minute. And this extra dough that we're saving, I'm going to get that all together actually and make something additionally amazing out of that. So go ahead and trim it up. You just want it to fit right in there. Alright, so got it all trimmed up. Now, as you can tell, or if you have a Ninja Speedi, oh yeah, this is going to make some good pizza rolls or something awesome. Oh, and I'm going to use that. So, I'm going to take this off, get it out. So we got a perfect fit inside the Ninja Speedi. Now, if you take a look on the back, the lip sticks out just a little bit farther than the pot itself. Perfect. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is actually one thing I didn't mention when we ingredients, but we're going to need a little bit of high heat oil. Alright, so I'm using avocado oil. And here, you just want to go into the pan and just some little bit of spray. Just a little bit of spray to get a little bit of oil right on the bottom there. Then we're going to grab this, bring our Ninja Speedi pan over here, go ahead and throw it in, and you got to work it around. It'll fit right in. Obviously you already measured it. This is perfect. Look at it, fits right in there. I'm going to change the camera angle and bring it to the next step. Alright, so we're bringing it up top because I want you to see what we're doing here. So we got that crust in there perfectly. Now we just want to go in with our marinara sauce. I'm telling you, this Bertolli's is really good. If you make your own marinara, something like that, oh my goodness, that's awesome. But go ahead and, just whatever you like, how much. Don't do too much, but you just want to cover the bottom and a little bit of the outer, because I hate when I order pizza from a place and basically it's almost like the center of the pizza has marinara cheese and toppings, and then there's nothing on the crust, and then you end up having like an inch or two of crust with nothing on it at all. So go ahead and get it on there. Now you want it fairly thin, but go ahead and push it all the way pretty much to the end, or close, just like that. Oh my, that already smells amazing. Now we're going to go in with some cheese. We got our mozzarella, so we're going to go in with a handful, and this, I don't have measurements for this at all. This is just, you know, whatever you like. Now, I would definitely say don't put a ton, but just coat the bottom because, well, you know what? Hey, if you want to put a ton, go ahead. Put that, and then we're going to end with the other blend. It's a little bit of cheddar and a few things mixed with it. Just a little bit of that on top of that. And that is looking absolutely amazing. So now we're actually going to go to the Ninja Speedi, and then we're going to wait to throw the pepperonis on. I'll tell you why, but we're going to go to the Ninja Speedi. We'll see you in a minute. All right, so we are at the Ninja Speedi, and so obviously I took the roasting pan that it comes with out, just to kind of show you there's no roasting pan, so we just took it out to put the dough and everything in there. I've got that right here, and then we're just going to go ahead and put it right to the Ninja Speedi. And it's easier just to take it out and build it like that. We're going to close this up. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Now you want to be up here on this button, you want to be on the rapid cook side. Over here, we're going to go down to steam and bake. Our temperature is going to be 375. I'll actually set the time for 15 minutes. It's not going to take 15 minutes, and actually this will probably take about 30 seconds-ish to warm up, but we're going to need that as well. So go ahead and hit start, and we'll take it to the next step. Okay, obviously the preheating is done, and it's counting down. So we set it for 15, so we're going to open this up at 11, so 4 minutes in, because we just want to take a quick look. Looks amazing. Now we just want to add our pepperoni now. Now the reason why you want to do this is because, actually if I can get you in here just a little closer to show you, is you want the pepperoni kind of in the cheese, because the fan inside there, if you put the pepperoni on first, will start blowing all over the place. So you just want to kind of get that pepperoni in there. All right, I think we're good. And you know, you can add whatever you want. You can do some white sauce, some barbecue sauce, some whatever your heart desires. But from here, we're going to go ahead and close the top. This thing resume. All right, we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, so we're counting down to the 7-minute mark, which means 15 from 7, so 8 minutes total. Go ahead. Oh, baby. Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on up in here. Yeah, delicious. All right, and actually I just want to test, well, I ain't got to test the crust. I've done this a few times actually. Oh yeah, crust, perfect. All right, so we are going to take this out, take it to the board, we're going to cut it up, make sure this thing is perfectly cooked for you guys. See you in a minute. All right guys, we are done, and look at what we turned out. Amazing. So let's actually go ahead, got the pizza cutter here, and go ahead and cut into it. And I just want to say now, this is how to make, you know, a pizza. Use your imagination. Use the white sauce, do some chicken and garlic, do a barbecue pizza, do all kinds of other, you know, things or whatever. But this is how to cook a pizza. Oh, I can't wait to, oh yes. And the bottom is nice and crispy, not burnt. Actually, take a look. Perfect bottom crust. No, that is abso-freaking-lutely perfect. Trust me. Oh yeah. Look at these in squares. I can't even wait to try this. It's still so hot. I'm gonna give it a quick try and make sure everything's done just for you guys. Haha. I'll tell you what, you are not going to go wrong. And actually, I forgot what I usually do is actually get some butter garlic and then put that around the edge of the pizza for the last like minute or so. But anyway, you got the idea, the concept. This turned out amazing. So don't go anywhere. I'll catch you up top. Got a couple things for you. All right, so we are finished with the cook. I've been going in couple slices on the pizza. Now, you can do anything. This is just how to cook the pizza. Add what you want. Add the Alfredo or the white creamy sauce with the chicken and artichokes, or do barbecue, add bacon, add whatever you want. I don't gotta tell you, you know what to add, but this is really perfect pizza. I mean, the whole cost of the pizza is about, for this pizza is about less than $5, and you can keep on making them with the jar of marinara, the cheese, all that stuff, leftovers, just gotta buy the crust again, and you can make $4 pizzas all day. That would be amazing, and you can make them for you, your children, everybody. It's just fun, you know, throw them in, cook it real quick. Anyway, I'm not gonna ramble anymore, but if you are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications to get all my future videos on this and plenty of other cooks. Drop an awesome comment, give a thumbs up. With that being said, catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.